Epics invoking. How can we invoke our Epics class? Well, in real life, suppose that I'm traveling or we're traveling from our city to a different city. Then we can buy a ticket by going to Priceline.com. We can go to Travelocity.com. We can go to AmericanAA.com or Delta.com or United.com and buy our ticket from there. Question remains, now how can I invoke my Epics class? So Epics invoking refers to the process of executing the Epics class. And an Epics class can only be executed when it's invoked via one of the ways listed below. Firstly, triggers an anonymous block. Secondly, a trigger invoked for specified events. 3. Asynchronous epics. 4. Scheduling an Epics class to run at a specified interval or running a batch job. Next, web services class. Epics email service class. Epics web service, which allow exposing your methods via SOAP and REST web services. Visual Force controllers. Epics email service to process inbound email. Invoking Epics using JavaScript. And remember that the Ajax toolkit to invoke web service methods implemented in Epics. And so we will now understand a few common ways to invoke Epics. From execute anonymous block. We can invoke the Epics class via execute anonymous in the developer console as shown. Step 1, we need to open the developer console, and then step 2, click on debug. As we can see in step 3, execute anonymous window will open as shown. So now we click on the execute button. On step 4, open the debug log. Well, it will appear in the logs pane. As we can see, we can also call an Epics class from triggers as well. Triggers are called when a specified event occurs, and triggers can call the Epics class when executing. Following is a sample code that shows how a class gets executed when a trigger is called. Furthermore, as we can see in this example, an Epics class can be called from the Visual Force page as well. We can specify the controller or the controller extension, and the specified Epics class gets called.